Before I take you on a tour of inside the building and all of its amenities, I'd like to talk to you about what's around the area. For starters, just a block or two away is Spencer Smith Park, and on the shores of Lake Ontario, where you can take a stroll any time of day or evening. And that is very close to downtown Burlington on Brant Street, where you will find unique shops and wonderful restaurants to choose from to eat. Now, if it's unique shops you don't want, but the big fancy mall, just up the street from the Stratus is Mapleview Mall, where there's hundreds of stores that is sure to accommodate whatever your buying pleasure is. Now, if you have to go to work into Toronto or you like to visit Toronto, a short walk away is the GO Station, and the GO Station will take you right to Toronto with many stops along the way. But if you like to entertain yourself but you want to stay close to home, this is the right property. Just around the corner is the Burlington Performing Arts Center, where you can catch a number of shows and walk home from them. No parking to pay. So join me as we walk through the building and the home that's up for sale. I'm Alison Walsh. Stick with me. Let's have a look. you for watching our video. I'm Alison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.